Angela, Perpetua, Rosemary. For the past few weeks, I've been talking about cervical cancer, cervical screening. Most of you will watch the video and you will just scroll past. Others will say, what is this man even saying? The other ones will say, this man is just making noise. Now, let me tell you something. I want to give you one simple task. Just make out time. Go to any teaching hospital near you. Ask to see the oncology ward. Listen, I said oncology ward. When you get there, go and feed your eyes. Then come back and tell me the story. You see this cervical cancer I've been talking about? It is the most preventable types of cancer among all the cancers we are prone to as women. But the painful thing is that cervical cancer is the number 4 leading cause of cervical deaths in women in the whole wide world. Now, the truth is that any woman wey you don dey will, I say if you don dey will, if you don dey do bakre, you don dey knack. Especially if you be woman wey, if John Thomas come, you go will. If Tobechukwu come, you go will. Anything you wear trouser, you go will. Any woman that is sexually active is prone to having HPV infections. If you don't know what HPV is, go and watch my previous video. But come, have you subscribed to my channel? If you have not subscribed to my channel, I don't know what to do with you. What will it take you to just hit that subscribe button? Or do you need transport fare to do that? I don't think so. That subscribe button you are seeing on your screen, just click on it. And then there is a bell icon you will see there. Click on the bell icon. That way, YouTube will notify you anytime I drop life-changing video like this one. Now, if you want to know what my channel is all about, if you want to know what I really do in this channel, go and see my bio. You will know better. Auntie, if you know say you don't dey will, if you know you are sexually active, oya, waka go and check the health of your cervix. Go and check the health of your cervix. Knowing the health of your cervix is the best Christmas gift you can give yourself this season. If I see you in that shop where you want to go and buy bone straight, or I see you in that shop where you want to go and buy the latest iPhone, it is this belt I will use to flog those your legs. Do you know the health of your cervix? Now it is Christmas. You are saying your boyfriend, I want to buy the latest iPhone. I want to buy the latest bone straight. And you know say you don't deal with you. Auntie, go and check the health of your cervix. If not, this bet is coming for you. How many times will I tell you that cervical cancer does not show any sign or symptom at the initial stage? You know they show for face. It is not malaria. It doesn't give fever. If you don't go for your cervical screening, you will not know. You can have HPV infection and still be healthy and still be living your normal life. If you don't go for a cervical screening, you will not know if you are having a high-risk HPV virus. Now, what are the benefits of having a cervical screening done? Number 1 is early detection. This test helps to detect abnormal cells early, long before they turn into cancer. And early detection leads to early treatment and early outcome. Secondly, this test helps to detect high-risk HPV virus. Now, the truth is that most women that are sexually active are prone to having HPV infections. All right? But not all the HPV viruses causes cervical cancer. Now, if you go and have your cervical screening, it will detect if there are high-risk viruses like 16 and 18, which are the viruses that actually lead to cervical cancer. Now, if you know your status and you find out that you have a high-risk HPV virus in your cervix, what do? You start your treatment on time before it will get worse and spread to other vital organs. Another reason why you should do your cervical screening is that it helps to prevent cervical cancer. All right? Early detection or this regular screening can prevent up to 90% of cervical cancer cases. All right? So if you are sexually active, you should be having your cervical screening at least every 3 years until you are 65 years of age. That way, you know your status at every point in time because early detection can save life. Another benefit of cervical screening is that it prevents death. Women who screen their cervix regularly are more likely to develop advanced cervical cancer. So by the time they screen regularly, they're able to detect those high risk HB viruses, and then they commence treatment on time. So it does not go into advanced cervical cancer cases, thereby reducing or preventing death. Another beautiful benefit of having your cervical screening is that sometimes when you screen your cervix, you pick up other issues that you don't even know they exist in your body. Issues like inflammation, infection, or other reproductive issues, and you begin to tackle them on time. All right, so your primary aim is to go and screen for cervical cancer or for those high risk HPV viruses, and then you detect that there are other issues that you have there, and you begin to tackle them, you begin to treat them on time, and you prevent reproductive issues. Cervical screening is quick and affordable. You don't spend much to just screen your cervix. You cannot compare it to the money you are going to spend if you have advanced cervical cancer case. So prevention, they say, is better than cure. You are going to spend little or no amount. In most local governments in Nigeria, they offer free pap smear tests. Go ask questions. And if you do not find those free ones, you're not going to spend much just to screen your service. You prevent spending huge amounts of money for cure. So it is better you spend that little to prevent than to spend much for cure. Ladies, always remember that your health is your power. Stop procrastinating. Schedule your cervical cancer screening today. It is one of the best gifts you can give yourself this season. If you have watched up to this point, I believe that you found value in this video, and I want to also believe that you have subscribed, and that notification bell you have clicked on it so that you can always get notified anytime I post such amazing videos. Until I come your way again, stay strong, stay healthy, and keep taking care of you.